your eyes. No peek. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Poppy, where are you? Where do you think that paw print could be?
We see you. Ah da 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 da. Ah da da da.
Oh.
Ah da da da.
Where are you hiding? Hey, now we need to figure out where Blue is. And start playing Blue's Clues. We need our handy dandy. Nope. Right. Come on. Hey, side table. Hey. I can't find the notebook. What's going on, side table?
Steve, I hid your notebook. Can you find it?
You can see.
Right there, on the side.
Oh, it's on the side of side table. I get it.
You found it. You're good at this finding stuff.
You know, I can tell I'm really going to need your help today figuring out where Blue wants to hide. You will help me, right?
Roll over.
Okay. To play Blue's Clues, you gotta find... Oh, a paw print. Right. And that's our first clue. Then we put it in our... Because of Blues, 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 Blues. We gotta find another paw print. That's the second clue. We put it in our notebook because they're clues, 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 clues. We gotta find them out.